njani. The duty to arrange working time with regard to the health and safety and family responsibility of an employee. No, akavuma basic condition of employment ukuthi kena umqashi nivumelana ukuthi kena nothinde lo mthetho lo. Sithi kena ku B, to reduce the protection afforded to employees who perform night work. Ayithintwa ke naleyo nganza kwethu basic conditions of employment uthi no, noma ngathiwa uyathanda as an employee or as an employer ukuthi kena nivumelana ukuthi ningasebenza niphambana nalo mthetho lona, akavumi basic conditions of employment. Okay, ukuthi kena mako register i-protection that is afforded to the employee, like ama PPE mhlambe maybe kuya compromisewa emsebenzini la kumele kugqoke khona bomakarabha, kuyangena ngaphandle komakarabha ngoba wena ufuna ukuba isithenjwa somlungu uthi ungasebenza ngaphandle komakarabha, akakuvumi basic conditions of employment logo. So i-safety nje, it must not compromise, it must be delivered as afforded by the act. Okay, another thing sengiyachaza la kanti bengithi angeke ngize ngichaze i-safety and okay, yeah, all right, asiye lapha yana ukureduce unumber uRoman figure 3 okungusi reduce annual leave to less than 2 weeks. Akavumi ukuthi kena ningavumelana nomqashi ukuthi kena anehlise ke manje ama-annual leave lama insuku zibe less than 2 weeks. Akakuvumi lokho. Okwesine okungudike, reduce entitlement to maternity leave. Akavumi ukuthi kena umthetho ubekile ukuthi maternity leave umuntu wesifazane uma kungukuthi kena uyobeletha ukuthi kena ningavumelana ngokuthi kena ayibe mpishane, akakuvumi lokho. It must be taken as it is afforded to umuntu wesifazane loyo oya kuleyo maternity leave. And reduce entitlement to sick leave to the extent permitted. Akavumi ukuthi kena nama sick leave ukuthi kena areduce ancishiswe to the extent leyo ukuthi kena i-act ithema kube ngaleyo ndlela leyo. If let's say sazongena lapho sazofika kuleyo section lapho ezobikhuluma ngama sick leave ukuthi kena i-sick leave ihamba kanjani, and akavumi ukuthi kena makukhathwa amakhona